Hello everyone, welcome to HostCreed. In this video I'm going to show you how can you log into your cPanel account. So let's get started. At first go to HostCreed.com and purchase a web hosting plan if you already have not. We offer reseller web hosting, powerful offshore web hosting that is 100% DMCA ignored. So after purchasing a web hosting plan, log into your account. After logging in, click on services and select your active web hosting plan. And now you can see a lot of tools and navigation options. On the left, right action menu, you can click on login to your cPanel to directly log into your cPanel without entering a password. You can now use your cPanel from here. Also, you can go to this URL main.hostcreed.com, clone 2083. If you go to this URL, it will also redirect you to cPanel login page, your cPanel login page. So this is your cPanel username and this is your password. So just simply copy it and also copy the password as well. Paste and click on login. Then here you can see you will able to log into your cPanel. So this is how you can log into your cPanel account. So hope you like this video. So that's it.